So today we discuss a topic mode of descriptive statistics. So what is mode? So mode is also a measure of central tendency for the individual data, or you say raw data. We say that the value which occur oftenly or maximum number of time is called your mode. If the data are arranged in a form of frequency table, the class corresponding to the maximum frequency is called the modal class, and the value of the variate of the modal class is called mode. So let discuss in examples. Find the mode of 7 4 5 1 7 3 4. We may write this or arrange this in some order. It may be increasing, it may be decreasing. Now after writing in some sorting order, here we have write in the ascending order. So if you see here, the 7 is repeated 3 times. Here 4 is repeated 2 times. Remaining all are repeated at a single time. So maximum number of times 7 repeats, that is 3 times. So here 7 is called the mode, because mode is your number which occur maximum number of times. In this, if you see, all the values are occur single time. So there is no mode in this particular example. Next example, 12th example, we rewrite this in an increasing order. You see here 11 one time, 12 3 time, 15 3 time, 19 2 time, and these one time only. So if you see here, 12 and 15 occurs 3 times. So both occur 3 times, which is the maximum in number. So both are called your mode. So we observe in this particular example we have 2 mode. So let's discuss your next example, number 13, which is in the form of frequency table. So if you see here, the ways 45 given to the number of implied 12, 50 given to the number of implied 11, 55 given to the number of implied 14, 60 given to the number of implied 13, so on. So you see here, these number of imply are your frequency. So if you see in this example, your 14 is a maximum frequency occur here. So the value which occur maximum number of time is called your mode. So 55 bases we have here for the maximum number of imply, that is 14. So 55 is called your mode in this data. Right? So in the frequency, discrete frequency distribution, it is very simple, because already calculated which number is repeated how many number of times, that is given by the frequency. So maximum frequency, just see the corresponding value of x, you say, or basis corresponding to maximum frequency is called your mode. So in this example, 55 is your mode. Now it may possible your data is a group frequency distribution kind. Group means it's some interval, that is your like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, so on. So this is the group frequency distribution kind of the example. So and frequency is given. So in these cases, we have a formula to calculate the mode. The formula is L. L is the lower limit of modal class. So what is your modal class? First question. So if we have the data here, so we have also the frequency in front of your data. So a value which is maximum frequency, then we select the corresponding, sorry. So the class corresponding to maximum frequency. The class corresponding to maximum frequency is called your modal class. And the lower limit of that particular modal class is called the L. H is the size of class interval. F is the frequency of the selected class, that is modal class. F1. F naught is the frequency of previous to the modal class, a class which occur earlier, just prior to the modal class. And F2 is a succeeding class to the modal class. So frequency of the class which occurred next to your modal class or succeeding to your modal class. So we get your F0, F1 and F2 from the table. Then L, then H also just put in this formula. The formula is L plus F1 minus F2 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by size, or you say class size. Let's discuss one example on this. Simple one. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by group of students resulted in following frequency table for number of family in household. So total family size of 1 to 3 member, we have 7 family in that survey. 3 to 5 member family are 8. 5 to 7 member family are 2. 7 to 9 member families are 2. 9 to 11 family members are 1. Find the mode of this data. So first of all, we can select modal class, and modal class is class where maximum frequency lies. So in this example, if you see, corresponding to your this 8, frequency 8 is your maximum frequency here. So if you see here, 8 is your maximum frequency. So this class 3 to 5 is called your modal class. And this frequency is known as the frequency of modal class. And previous to this frequency is called the frequency of preceding class, that is represented by F0. Similarly, next to modal class or succeeding to modal class frequency is represented by F2. And the lower limit of this modal class, that is 3 here, is called the lower limit of modal class. And if you see in this example, the size is your upper limit minus lower limit, that is your 2. So H is your 2. So now we have everything which required for the mode formula. L is your 3, F1 is your 8, F0 is 7, F1 is your 8, F0 is 7, F2 is your 2, and H is your 2. Just put all these value here in the formula. Just calculate these, which is your 3.286. So the mode of this above example is your 3.286. Now